Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox slow problem or lag or the drop of the FPS. All what you have to do is simple. Choose any server on Roblox like this one for example, and then go to the top corner and click on Roblox logo, and then go to the settings option right here. And now all what you have to do is simple. Just scroll all the way down and make sure that those three options are off. And then all what you have to do is go to the graphics mode and make it manual, and then go to the graphics quality and make it lower as possible like this. And then all what you have to do is restart your phone, and I am sure that the problem is gonna be fixed. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.